Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your PNG and immediately isolating the part you want to recolor. Use Quick Selection or Magic Wand for simple shapes, or the Pen tool for precise edges. Once selected, press Ctrl/CMD+J to copy that selection to a new layer. This keeps your original intact and gives you a working layer. Make sure your document is in RGB mode and not indexed color, because adjustment layers and blending modes require RGB to behave predictably. Once you have a separate layer, add a hue/saturation or solid color adjustment and clip it to that layer so only the selection is affected. This is how you control the new color non-destructively. Change the layer blending mode to color or hue to preserve underlying texture and shadows, and use opacity to fine-tune intensity. If highlights or contrast look off, add a levels or curves adjustment clipped as well to match the original lighting and make the recolor look natural. Finish by refining the layer mask. Open Select and Mask to smooth, feather, or shift edge, and manually paint with a soft brush to remove halos. Once done, inspect at 100% for banding or color shifts. If you see banding, try 16-bit mode or add very slight noise to disguise it. Finally, export as PNG24 to preserve transparency and save a PSD copy, so you can tweak the hue/saturation or solid color later if the client wants a different shade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.